In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language of a replit. If you've ever needed to switch a project from one programming language to another, Replit makes this surprisingly straightforward with its built-in agent. The agent not only changes the environment for you, it can also translate your existing code so you don't have to start from scratch. Before you begin, it's wise to make a copy of your project or ensure your work is saved and committed, just in case you want to roll back. Start by opening the agent chat in the left sidebar of your Replit workspace. This is your conversational assistant that can read your project, understand your intent, and perform multi-file edits. When the chat opens, you'll see a message box where you can type instructions. Keep your prompt clear and specific so the agent knows exactly what to do. Type a prompt like, convert this entire project from Python to Node.js. You can swap in whichever languages you're moving between, but it helps to name both the source and target language. The agent will scan your files and propose a set of changes. You'll typically see a plan that outlines what will be created, what will be modified, and how the run command will be updated. If the plan mentions anything you don't want changed, say so in the chat before proceeding. When you're ready, apply the changes. The agent will create the new files like an index.js for a Node.js target, install the necessary packages, and update the .replit file so the correct command runs your project. You may also see a new package manager file and the console that will show progress as dependencies are installed. Let the process finish before interacting with the project to avoid partial setups. Once the changes are applied, press run to test your converted project. Look at the console output for any missing packages or import issues. Sometimes a library in one language doesn't have a direct equivalent in another, and the agent may suggest alternatives. If you see warnings, ask the agent to resolve them or clarify your requirements in the chat, such as preferred frameworks or versions. Finally, open the .replit file to confirm the run command matches your new language environment. Skim the new files to understand the structure the agent generated and verify that routes, environment variables, and any file paths match your project's expectations. That's it. With the agent chat, changing a Replit's language becomes a guided, automated workflow, letting you focus on testing and fine-tuning rather than manual conversion.